100 phrasal verbs along with sentences. Break down. The car broke down on the way to the meeting. Bring up. She brought up an interesting point during the discussion. Call off. They called off the game due to bad weather. Carry on. Despite the delay, they carried on with the project. Catch up. I need to catch up on my reading for class. Check in. We checked in at the hotel yesterday. Check out. Make sure to check out by noon tomorrow. Come across. I came across my old photos while cleaning. Come up with. She came up with a great solution to the problem. Count on. You can always count on me for help. Cut down. He needs to cut down on sugar for his health. Deal with. I had to deal with several issues at work today. Do away with. The company decided to do away with the old system. Drop by. Feel free to drop by anytime you're in the area. Drop out. He dropped out of school to start his own business. End up. We ended up going to a different restaurant. Figure out. I finally figured out how to solve the problem. Fill in. Can you fill in for me while I'm on vacation? Find out. I found out that the meeting was postponed. Get away. We're hoping to get away for the weekend. Get back. When will you get back from your trip? Get over. She still hasn't gotten over her fear of heights. Give up. Don't give up on your dreams so easily. Go ahead. You can go ahead and start without me. Go over. We need to go over the report before submitting it. Grow up. He grew up in a small town by the ocean. Hang out. They usually hang out at the coffee shop. Hold on. Hold on, I'll be right with you. Keep up. It's hard to keep up with all the latest trends. Let down. I don't want to let down my team by missing the game. Look after. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? Look forward to. I'm really looking forward to the concert. Look into. I'll look into the matter and get back to you. Make up. They had a fight but then made up the next day. Pass out. She passed out from the heat. Pick up. Can you pick up some groceries on your way home? Point out. He pointed out the mistakes in the report. Put off. Let's put off the meeting until next week. Put up with. I can't put up with his rude behavior anymore. Run into. I ran into an old friend at the mall. Run out of. We've run out of milk. Can you buy some? Set up. They set up the equipment for the event. Show up. He showed up late to the meeting. Shut down. The factory was shut down for safety reasons. Sit down. Let's sit down and discuss the plan. Speak up. You need to speak up if you want to be heard. Stand by. I'll stand by you no matter what happens. Stand out. Her performance really stood out in the competition. Take after. He takes after his father in both looks and personality. Take off. The plane took off an hour late. Take over. He will take over the company next year. Tear down. They plan to tear down the old building. Think over. I'll think over your proposal and get back to you. Turn down. She turned down the job offer. Turn off. Please turn off the lights when you leave. Turn on. He turned on the TV to watch the game. Turn up. He turned up late for the interview. Wake up. I usually wake up early during the week. Warm up. She always warms up before her workout. Watch out. Watch out! That car is coming fast. Work out. I hope everything works out for you. Write down. Don't forget to write down the instructions. Back up. Make sure to back up your files regularly. Blow up. The balloon blew up when it hit the sharp edge. Break up. They broke up after 5 years together. Bring about. His actions brought about a lot of changes in the company. Call for. The situation calls for immediate action. Calm down. He tried to calm down after the argument. Catch on. It took him a while to catch on to the joke. Come back. I'll come back later to check on you. Come down with. She came down with the flu last week. Cut off. The phone call was cut off before we finished talking. Dress up. They dressed up for the fancy dinner party. Drop off. Can you drop me off at the station? Eat out. We usually eat out on Fridays. Fall apart. Their plan started to fall apart after the first week. Fill out. Please fill out this form before your appointment. Get along with. He doesn't get along with his colleagues. Give out. The teacher gave out the test results today. Go back. I'm planning to go back to school next year. Go off. The alarm went off at 6 a.m. Go out. We're going out to dinner tonight. Hold back. She tried to hold back her tears during the speech. Keep away. Keep away from the edge of the cliff. Look back. Looking back, I realize how much I've grown. Look down on. He looks down on people who don't have a degree. Make out. I couldn't make out what she was saying. Move on. It's time to move on and forget the past. Pass away. His grandfather passed away last year. Put on. She put on her coat before leaving. Run over. She was almost run over by a speeding car. See off. We went to the airport to see her off. Settle down. They decided to settle down in the countryside. Show off. He loves to show off his new car. Take down. She took down the decorations after the party. Turn around. The company turned around after a year of losses. Work on. I'm working on improving my English skills.